In this question, we are given the following string s, and it says this line of text right here. We're asked what is the value of the variable position where int position is equal to s.indexOf. And now we have to find the integer position. Well, the main part of this is going to be this s.indexOf. When we use s.indexOf, what we're doing is we're looking at this string right here, and then we are calling a method of the string class. And the string class, this indexOf, is predefined here. So we have the string class that we're calling, and what we're basically saying is look at the string that we're passing in and find this. And if we can find this, return the position of it. So we know that this w is position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a space, so that's 7, 8, 9, another space, so 10. And then we see our string, our substring right here, starts at index 11. And so that means it's going to return the position of 11. And that is how the indexOf works.